everybody. Happy Friday. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Haley, and if you're a returning subscriber, I'm so glad you guys are back for another video. It has been a pretty busy week. I've had a lot of projects going on. The house is looking a little messy, okay? And I've really wanted to film me decorating for fall, but I need to clean first. I just filmed a bunch of fall videos for you guys, like the fall decor haul and all that jazz. But I wanted to actually show you guys my process for decorating, kind of like how I organize my decorating, I guess. So before we get started, click that subscribe button and turn on notifications. If you guys like organization videos, health and wellness videos, this is the place for you. You guys can also follow me along on my Instagram at Haley Cairo. I'm a certified holistic health coach, so you're gonna see a lot of workouts and recipes, but it's kind of my favorite thing. So definitely give that a follow if you are interested. So let me just show you what we're working with. Kitchen. I don't really know what we call this space. It's empty space. Please hold. Family room, looking like, a mess. We need to get cleaning.
So one of my favorite things to do before the season starts is kind of curate a list of things that I would like to purchase for the home, but make sure I'm getting a great deal. So I always use shoptagr whenever I want to buy something new that might be a little pricey, or I know that the whole haul will be pricey, because shoptagr allows me to see things that go on sale. It also has a great extension where you can get coupon codes. It's really my shopping assistant all the time for everything. All you have to do is download the Google Chrome extension, so that way you can start using shoptagr. It's awesome because not only are you getting notified when things go on sale, but you might also be getting an added bonus with using one of the coupon codes that shoptagr can automatically find for you. I also have the app on my phone, and both my desktop and my phone get notifications to allow me to see when things go on sale. They just give me little alerts. So all of the products that I got from Target were actually on sale, plus I got an additional 15% off by using a coupon code that shoptagr gave me. So it was awesome. If you guys want to download it, I'll have it linked down below for you guys. It seriously is such a lifesaver. I always shop with it. It's great for holidays, or just when you have your eye on something. Like I have that Dyson in my cart right now. I'm like really wanting to buy that, and it is on sale. So check it out. It's really awesome and such a great way to save some extra money.
I was taking some pictures and filming. Oh, look at that sock, go away. You guys would have seen all of this in the fall haul, but now we need to like make the house look cool. But first we need to pick up all this junk and vacuum. This gives me anxiety.
For the record.
Every year I feel like I have a different aesthetic or look I'm going for, and this year I really wanted to keep it neutral, a little bit rustic. I'm not a super like farmhousey kind of person. I really get inspired by Anthropologie's terrain, which I shared in a vlog. So if you guys check that out, you can kind of see where I pulled a lot of the inspo from, but it's a little bit whimsical, a little bit old and vintage. I like to mix textures, but also kind of keep it neutral. So you'll see a lot of that, but honestly, just trial and error. I'll have a look on a tablescape or a vignette for a few days, and then if I don't like it, I'll switch it out. So don't be afraid to try new things, repurpose things, do DIYs. Sometimes unconventional is really what works, and It just kind of has to be what you love. So don't feel like you have to make it look picture perfect, because it really never starts off that way and it never really gets that way. You're always going to be changing and finding new things that you love and want to have in your home. I also don't think you have to always go out and buy new decor. I like to not only repurpose, but kind of redo some pieces if I'm going to paint them or just change them up. Sometimes I'll sell pieces and get, I'll exchange one for the other. I'll sell one and then get new ones. So this year I'm going to be sharing a couple things I picked up at Target.
So I had some things come in from Target that I'm going to show you guys that we're going to use to make the Halloween tablescape. And I'm really excited. These were all really affordable and I feel like are very transitional for the season. So let's prop you up somewhere so you can see what I got. So the first few items that I got were the antique brass candle stick. Okay, this camera makes them look gold. In person, I feel like they look silver. I don't know. But they're like 3 different heights, which I like. And I haven't been able to find ones like this anywhere that don't look gothic, like Baroque looking, and they're just a really pretty black candlestick. I probably should order 3 more because they had a really cool setting with like 6 of them. This one is really nice. It has like a little bit of orange stitching on it. They also have napkins that match this, and it is just called the Oversized Table Runner from the Hearth and Hand Magnolia collection. It is just really basic. I wasn't gonna get this because I was like, everyone has this, but I haven't found one that I like. So, and it's just the big Home Sweet Home doormat. Maybe you can see that. And then I also found one, it's really good quality, it's really heavy. I found one on Amazon that's like a it's gray and white gingham check pattern that I'm gonna put underneath. It's bigger and it'll just kind of like peek out.
Are turning brown, red and yellow, soon they'll be falling down. Now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. The light that flickers will blow away. The summer is ended. The leaves are turned.